In the operations manual, please reference the maintenance section, subsections, replace analyzer, and install analyzer. If the analyzer will not power up, use an emergency key to disengage the analyzer. Push up on a small plunger beneath the front of the analyzer to release it. Slide out the analyzer to access the rear. Unscrew the two screws holding the tubing harness in place. Slide the tubing harness out. Disconnect the two cables in the back of the analyzer. One is for power and the other is Ethernet. To remove, release the lock on top and slide the analyzer out of the rack. To install a new analyzer, always start with the top rail first. Make sure it locks into place, then slide into the bottom rail. Reconnect the power and Ethernet cables. Reconnect the tubing harness and re-secure the screws. Slide the analyzer back into the vertex edge. The analyzer may feel like it is binding up. This is normal as it is reseating the rail ball bearings.